West. What are you most excited about today?
Performing against good competition.
Are you nervous?
Not really.
Good practice today?
I think so.
What are good qualities of a leader as a senior?
Oof. I think setting a good example is the biggest thing. And just kind of keeping a level head and getting through everything and motivating everybody else and not letting anything else get in the way.
Thanks, Mason.
Classic. Obviously. So true. I'm so sad you didn't die.
Church. Some people go to that.
What makes a good leader in marching band?
Olivia.
Why? What characteristics does she hold?
She's amazing. There's no words to describe her. She's just amazing. Right, Olivia?
Low reed. You good? Bellows? We're good. Trumpet? We're good. Baritone? Good. Tuba? Good. Battery? Good. Front ensemble? Good. Guard? Good.
Yeah. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you.
Mace.
I think that's the word you were looking for.
Oh, do you know?
You're right here. That's what I heard. I see. What were you going to say? Oh, the drama.
What's your name?
Mariah,
What year are you?
freshman,
What do you play?
flute,
If you had to play one other instrument, what would it be?
probably alto sax.
Have a good run.
How do I tell you? Did you? Oh.
If you had to play one other instrument, what would it be?
Pit,
Pit?
yeah.
You?
Trumpet or pit?
Pit or alto sax?
Does it have to be like a wind instrument or marching band instrument?
You make up the rules as you go along.
Violin.
Oh.
What's your name?
Luke.
Luke, what do you play? What year are you?
What do you mean?
What grade?
8th.
What's your favorite part about being in marching band?
The music.
Who's your best friend in marching band?
I don't know.
Have a good run.
That's not fair. I want to be in the camp. No, you don't.
We're going to the buses! Buses! Head to the buses! Band, head to the buses!
Actually, stay in time, please.
Got rained out tonight?
Yeah.
How was your run?
It was great.
Best ever?
Really kept my feet in time.
Chloe.
Chloe, how was your run tonight?
It was pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you miss any steps?
No, my feet were in time. Everything was great.
Awesome, thanks. Have a good night. How was your run tonight?
It was absolutely amazing.
Perfect. 10 out of 10. Was it 10 out of 10?
Earlier, most important thing this week were the Thursday and Friday practice. Today's practice would have been great to have that show on. It was a hard decision to make, but we weren't too concerned about the rain as much as we were the safety of people going up and down the ramp. And we have never really been presented that problem before, so we weren't sure how it would work. We'll make some preparations this week. We have to perform next week regardless. Okay, so we'll figure it out. But it wasn't worth injury or damage to equipment, so just had to make the call. That's why I said all day to be flexible and understand that things might happen. Okay, so at least we're close to home. We didn't have to ride off the bus all the way down someplace and come all the way back. It was close. And in all seriousness, really, that performance, I know that the guard didn't get to do it, but the wind and percussion run that was on the field, much improved. I heard great things from the guard staff today about the improvement you guys made, and appreciate all the hard work on that. And thank you to all of the adults and parents that helped us load to go do nothing and then come right back. So we appreciate it, and we look forward to getting ourselves through semis next week and on to state finals. Go!